Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, August 10th. Well, we've been talking about a late week, heavy rain and possible severe weather event in the Mid-Atlantic region, and it is underway right now. The atmosphere is really destabilizing as cooling air moves in aloft thanks to a large, powerful, strong upper-level disturbance. Bands of heavy showers and thunderstorms have already developed. Here's the very latest radar loop, and there is a band right now that's rotating into the eastern part of Pennsylvania that right now extends from northeastern Pennsylvania all the way down to the Washington, D.C. area. It's advancing very slowly to the east. Most of the individual cells are moving basically south-southwest to north-northeast, so the whole line is advancing slowly to the east. But that's part of the problem. Once it moves into the eastern part of Pennsylvania, it'll be a very slow mover, and there will be some heavy rain associated with this particular band that has already gone through the Washington, D.C. area, headed for Philadelphia region any moment now, really by the mid-morning hours, and then later this morning into the New York City region. That's not the end of it. There are more bands of showers and thunderstorms already starting to form out over the Ohio Valley. They will intensify as some daytime heating occurs. The daytime heating will help to destabilize the atmosphere as it gets warmer at the ground level. At the same time, it's cooling aloft. That'll help to form and intensify some more showers and thunderstorms. So basically, the late week event is now underway. We have numerous showers and thunderstorms here in the Mid-Atlantic region from mid-morning right through tonight into the early part of Saturday. There definitely is improvement coming Saturday night and Sunday. In fact, Sunday looks like a rather nice day with lower humidity and pleasant temperatures. But the next 24 to 30 hours or so will feature heavy rain and possible damaging winds and hail here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop. Couple things to point out. First of all, here's the circulation for this powerful surface storm for this time of the year right over the Great Lakes. Waves of up to 10 feet are pounding the Chicago area on strong northerly winds, and this is the center of the at least at the at the upper levels where this circulation is occurring. Meanwhile, there's just a corridor of moisture here pumping in from the Gulf of Mexico all the way along the east coast on the front side of this particular upper level feature. And all this will be kind of slow moving. This deep upper level trough will take a little bit of time moving from west to east, and therefore the threat continues into tomorrow along the Mid-Atlantic coastal region for some showers and thunderstorms. But certainly from mid-morning on right through tonight, there are numerous showers and thunderstorms, and that'll contain heavy rain and possible severe weather to include damaging winds and hail. Lots of clear skies behind it, and again, Sunday looks like a very nice day here in the Mid-Atlantic region with lower humidities and comfortable temperatures. So here's the actual current this morning, Friday morning's upper level chart, 500 millibars, about the middle part of the atmosphere, about 18,000 feet up. This is using the North American Mesoscale model. Again, it's the upper level feature right now that's the key player here. This is quite intense for this time of the year, and you combine this basically strong upper level jet streak with cold air aloft with the normal daytime heating in August, and that spells possible severe weather here for just ahead of it here in the Mid-Atlantic region. So there will be the possibility of some severe weather later on today. Heavy rain is a definite, and possibility exists for some damaging winds and some hail as some daytime heating contributes to the destabilization of the atmosphere and the formation of some strong thunderstorms. Out in the southwest, here's the center of the high pressure aloft that has shifted basically from the middle of the country to the interior west, and that's why they've been baking for the last few days, basically from Denver to Los Angeles, just away from the coast. It's been very hot, and that'll continue through tomorrow. But there are definitely signs of a cooling trend out along the west coast beginning on Sunday and into next week. That hot pattern of the last few days will definitely go away next week in parts of the interior west. Here's the surface map forecast by the NAM model from last night's zero-Z run for tonight. And at this time, here's that strong Great Lakes low pressure area. Quite cool behind it, unusually cool behind it later on this week, and actually beginning tomorrow in the upper part of the Midwest. And this is that same system that is right now circulating right around Lake Michigan. It does not move that rapidly, and that's why we have a threat continuing here in the Mid-Atlantic for some showers and storms right into the day on Saturday. The main frontal system is still out here in the Ohio Valley later on tonight, and lots of precipitation put out by the NAM model just ahead of that frontal system. So we're now into the late week event that will contain heavy rain and possible severe weather in the Mid-Atlantic region, right from D.C. up through Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York, from the current time right through tonight. And again, there can be some lingering showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning, especially in the Mid-Atlantic region, but there'll be a trend for some clearing late in the day and tomorrow night. By the way, the Perseid meteor shower peaks tomorrow night if skies permit, and there is some hope for some partial clearing tomorrow night. So look to the eastern sky late tomorrow evening all the way into early Sunday morning for the Perseid meteor shower. Well, we'll continue to update the possible severe weather threat for today in the Mid-Atlantic. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.